WordPress course outline. Slider plus Carousel plus Gallery Elementor. Go to Pages. Then click on Edit. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Then search for Slide widget. Slide widget is likely used to create individual slides within a larger slideshow or presentation. Here you can choose a color or image for the background and add content to the slide. Here you can add title, description, button or link. Here you can adjust height according to your need. Now go to Slider Options. Here you can configure various settings for the slider, such as navigation type, autoplay options, transition speed, and content animation. Then go to Slides, then duplicate the slide. Then adjust the color title or other settings as you need. Now you can see your slider is ready. Now search for Gallery widget. Gallery widget is used to display a collection of images or other media in a visually appealing format. Click on Add Images. Now select Images from Media Library. Then click on Insert Gallery. Here you can do multiple things, such as spacing, aspect ratio, image resolution, etc. Now you can see your Gallery widget. Now search for Carousel widget. Image Carousel. Image Carousel widget allows you to create a slideshow of images that automatically rotate. Click on Add Images. Now select Images from Media Library. Click on Create a new gallery, then click on Insert Gallery. Image Carousel widget allows you to create a slideshow of images that automatically rotate. Note, all the settings are same, like Gallery widget. Now you can see your Carousel widget.